Acustica Bio is an advanced manufacturing company solving the greatest challenges in life sciences and beyond. Right now, millions of patients must travel to the hospital in order to endure expensive and time-consuming intravenous injections to receive their life-saving medications. Acustica Bio changes that, making the delivery of those drugs easy as a quick flu shot. We have already initiated collaboration with major pharma companies willing to improve their product in this under $50 billion market, so join us in this journey.
Activa was founded to find a cure for ARDS, a deadly condition affecting COVID-19 patients. An ARDS drug will reduce the cost of treatment and prevent loss of life. In 10 months, we have developed a computational platform, applied to the validated molecular target, discovered our lead compounds, and selected the most active as a clinical candidate. We are raising seed round to perform IND-enabling studies and to submit the IND.
Hello, I'm Pim. 100 years after discovery of insulin, only about 20% of people with type 1 diabetes achieve treatment goals because it is difficult. At AMF Medical, we want to make life easier for people with diabetes. Our Siggy patch pump works simply with standard pre-filled insulin cartridges instead of the usual manual filling hassle. Siggy connects to your own smartphone and glucose monitor to automate insulin dosing, and the semi-reusable pump is much kinder to the environment. With a successful FDA pre-sub meeting, a clinical study showing strong patient preference, and externally validated industry-leading precision, we're about to start a Series A round and invite you to reach out to us via amfmedical.com. Thank you.
Opsin Therapeutics is developing a novel drug delivery platform out of MIT Langer Lab for simplified single injection application. What it actually does is that it simplifies multiple painful injections required for treatment into only a single one. There is a wide range of indications that can benefit from this technology. Join us to learn more.
Hi, my name is Euros Kuzmanovic, the CEO and co-founder of Biosensate. We have an exciting platform technology which we can use to identify sensing parts in order to engineer novel, continuously monitoring biosensors. One of the first which we're commercializing is for the fertility space. If you're interested in what we're doing, in collaborating, or share our vision, please reach out to learn more.
Diamante is a biotechnology company with the mission to improve global health using plants, creating a new take on molecular farming. Our aim is to create the world's first therapeutic approach for autoimmune diseases using plant viruses to explain immunodominant peptide. Our main project is the development of a specific therapy for rheumatoid arthritis, and we will do the same for other autoimmune diseases. Thank you.
Hi everyone, welcome to Mass Finale. My name is Simon, the CEO of Gensur. At Gensur, we're developing a simpler, faster, yet more accurate virus and bacteria testing device. It is based on a decade-long research of fat biosensor and will become the next generation of tests for infectious disease. Please reach out and learn more about us. Gensur, Gensor.
Hi, my name is Chrissy Glover. I'm co-founder and CEO of Imago Rehab. We are a virtual clinic for post-stroke occupational therapy that combines telehealth with wearable robotics. There are 5 million chronic stroke survivors in the US alone who have lasting hand impairment that limits their ability to cook, drive, or even pick up grandchildren. With Imago, stroke survivors can complete high-intensity rehab from the comforts of home to regain functional use of their hand and independence.
Leveraging the field called bioelectronic medicine, it is possible to use physical signals like electricity or ultrasound to evoke a physiological response in the body. One area where bioelectronic medicine can substantially help is in the field of organ transplantation, as 30 of the 100,000 kidneys transplanted worldwide every year are rejected by the patient despite aggressive use of drugs that cause dangerous side effects. Inea Biosciences is developing a non-invasive and personalized wearable bioelectronic device that monitors and reduces the rate of kidney rejection from the comfort of the patient's own home. Please join us on our medical revolution.
Hi, my name is Mason Lusich. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Insu Health Design, and my pronouns are he, him. Insu Health Design is developing smart portable refrigerators to keep the hundreds of different temperature-sensitive medications safe at all times. Our patent-pending technology allows us to precisely control temperatures for extended periods of time, for peace of mind during daily home use, overnight travel, outdoor activities, or during natural disasters in times of limited access to electricity, thanks to its long-lasting battery life and multiple charging options. No matter where or when, our users' vital medicine will be readily available and protected.
Hello and good day. My name is Antoine Johnson, he, him, co-founder and CTO of Lucidex. Our mission is to help prevent diabetes-related blindness through early detection. Our product is a wearable device capable of detecting diabetic retinopathy before current standard methods like fundus photography and OCT. We're hoping you can join us to continue building our device, our network, and discuss how Lucidex can help improve diabetes patient outcomes. We're excited to share with you our vision of the future and hope you consider visiting Lucidex. Thank you.
MetaCircle is revolutionizing healthcare equity by redistributing unused cancer medication. We collect leftover oncology pills, recertify the medication's quality using our proprietary technology, then distribute the medication to financially burdened patients. We have already saved the healthcare system $15 million in 2 months and are excited to have people join us in our mission of bringing affordable medications to cancer patients across America. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Claudio and I'm CEO and co-founder of Monevo, an assistive technology company that provides a smart glass-based solution that enables over 60 million wheelchair users worldwide to live more independent. We already equipped over 80 people around Europe, and we're now preparing for our launch in the US, and for that we're looking to raise our Series A. So help us empower people. Thank you.
Myogene Bio is a biotechnology startup developing therapies for muscle diseases. Our first approach is a gene editing therapy for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, which is a fatal muscle wasting disease with no cure. Our approach permanently removes the mutations that cause Duchenne to restore the protein otherwise lacking. It has significant advantages over other therapies by targeting a large proportion of patients and retaining more of the protein sequence. We're inspired by patients like my cousin Christopher to develop truly meaningful therapies for muscle diseases.
Hello everyone, I'm Bhuvnesh Dave, Chief Scientific Officer of Spanius. We are accelerating precision oncology research by developing patient-derived organoid model systems of rare cancers. This is an unmet need in the field, and pharma requires these models to develop new targeted therapeutic approaches. Our models are 80% more efficient than the incumbents. If more information is required, please contact me.
Imagine a world where we can detect Parkinson's disease just from the way you walk, and do that 10 years earlier than we're able to do today. There are so many secrets locked up in the way that our body moves, and with those come endless opportunities. At Newton Tech, we are reimagining human movement by using AI and astronaut training technologies, leading a new era of personalized and precision care.
Hi folks, my name is Sumita Jonak, and I want to tell you why I founded Nor Labs. It was after my father was diagnosed with cancer and we found out too late. And that story happens all too often. We want to change that ending, and in order to do that, cancer screening needs to be just as routine as getting your cholesterol checked. So next time you go into the doctor, you should be able to order the Nor Labs Cancer Panel. Come and find out more.
Have you ever thought what it would be like if you couldn't read, drive, or recognize faces of loved ones? This is what life is like for the millions of people with macular degeneration who have no available treatments. Luckily, Oculogenics has developed a novel gene therapy that prevents blindness and can preserve vision and independence for a lifetime. We invite you to our booth to learn more about us and our breakthrough technology.
Hello, my name is Bob Benkowski, CEO and co-founder of Opsin Biotherapeutics. My pronouns are he and him. Opsin Biotherapeutics is developing an opioid alternative for those thousands of patients in chronic pain where all other therapies have failed. We do this using optogenetics. Simply stated, we put tiny solar panels on those neurons that block pain and we activate them with light, controlled through an app. Visit our virtual booth to learn more about how we stop chronic pain, like flipping a light switch.
At Osteo, we believe we have a moral obligation to help kids with defects of the face and head live their best lives. Within a landscape of what can only be described as medieval technology, we are developing an integrated therapy that reimagines treatment to improve patient outcomes and experience. If you also believe we have a moral imperative to do better by these kids, then come visit us to learn more about Osteo and how we are improving the lives of children with craniofacial defects.
Hi, I'm Alex Bodell, and I'm the CEO of Parker Isaac. We're building automation tools that help pathology labs to efficiently prepare tissue for diagnosis. We have a product in market today called the AdaPress that is helping technicians produce a better sample for colorectal cancer diagnosis. We're growing sales of this product, and we're also working with lab partners on the development of a larger system called the AdaPath. If you're interested to learn more, I'd love to connect. Thanks.
Vimentum is democratizing orthodontics. We're making braces, like the ones I'm wearing, much more accessible to the millions of kids in the US without access. And we're doing this by turning dentists into orthodontists. Our technology gives dentists a new and profitable way to treat their patients while lowering the barriers for people who need braces. Dentists love us, and we've doubled the number of them working with us this summer. Come find us at our booth.
Developing a new drug is a long and expensive process because of preclinical testing is made on animals. But we are not animals, and therefore there are so many failures during this phase. We have patented, validated, and put on market our organ-on-chip device able to emulate human physiology without using animals. We have paying customers, but we needed to raise funds to boost our scale up. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Charles Hartman, and I am the co-founder and managing member for Refined Imaging. Refined Imaging's technology is the best technique globally to image small details, whether it's in polymers, metals, or humans. Our current focus is additive manufacture supply chain counterfeit. To authenticate a part, we embed invisible ink in an additive manufactured component and secure the data to blockchain with smart contracts. Thank you.
My name is AJ Malott, and I am the CEO, president, and co-founder of Ronoc. My pronouns are he, his, and him. Ronoc is a life sciences company that focuses on making products for scientists and physicians that enable them to mass produce human cells and human biologics for personalized treatments. I'd love the opportunity to tell you more about the exciting things we're doing at Ronoc. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mark Harburg. I'm the CEO and founder of SafetySit. SafetySit is a mobile backrest that allows clinicians to treat recovering patients without additional staff. This solves a $1.8 billion problem in US hospitals for this unnecessary support staff labor. Put simply, this is the problem, this is our solution. We are a medical device, we've moved into production, we have 5 hospitals ready to trial. Please get in touch with me. I look forward to meeting you. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Frank Gombert from the startup Therapeutic located in Basel. My team at Therapeutic is passionate about revolutionizing the future way of antibiotic therapies. Antimicrobial resistance is an increasing threat to human health and life worsened by the COVID-19 crisis. At Therapeutic, we are seeking $4 million seed investment to advance our 3 innovative antibiotic drugs towards clinical studies.
Painful needle-based blood testing method has not changed in the past 100 years. More than 7 billion tests performed with at least 200 billion spent in the US annually. Tenderlight Scientific has developed a light-based blood testing device to measure contents without needle. We are the first company to offer this new, small, portable, non-invasive device to monitor overall health status anywhere, anytime, instantly, and accurately.
Therapeutic vision develops drugs for preserving vision in animals and then humans. We have 3 product lines, a commercially available topical antioxidant plus 2 new drug lines in development. Currently, we are focused on Kinestat, a clinically established drug that prevents vision loss in diabetic dogs. The FDA has provisionally approved Kinestat for sale with 7 years of exclusive marketing and no competition. We are looking for an investor to bring this drug to market.
Biologic medicines revolutionized treatment of chronic disease, from Crohn's disease to cancer, and created a $375 billion market. But biologics are large, complex molecules, which are not naturally absorbed in the intestine. They have to be injected or infused, which is costly, painful, and inconvenient. Transcera is solving this problem. We've developed a molecular vehicle which can transport biologic medicines across the lining of the intestine into the bloodstream. With it, we plan to turn injections into pills for millions of patients living with chronic disease.
Hi, we're Ultra Neuro. We're calling in from CIC in Cambridge, and we're really excited to show you what we have going on today. People all over the world experience some sort of neuropathic pain, including my own mother, and most agree on one thing, that the top 3 first-wave drugs just don't work.
Enter our solution, which uses therapeutic ultrasound neuromodulation to treat neuropathic pain. Ultraneuro will restore peripheral nerve activity in order to curb prescription drug intake and reduce debilitating side effects of current solutions. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sophia, CEO of Uniphage. Uniphage uses deep learning to accelerate the development of safe, viral-based antibacterial solutions. Uniphage primarily targets bacterial diseases in agriculture, with our very first target being citrus greening. Uniphage has secured research partnerships, LOIs, and non-dilutive funding. And we are currently raising our seed round. So to learn more about how we are building a world free of bacterial diseases, hit us up.
Hoverboards and self-driving cars are right around the corner. So why are vaccines still hand-mixed? The scary truth is even pharmacists and nurses don't know if your vaccine is mixed right. With 9 steps for each dose, there's too much room for human error. Vaccine Systems changes that. In 30 seconds, our app tests the vaccine you're about to get straight from your phone. Contact us to learn more about our full roadmap, the future standard of care for giving vaccines.
Westface Medical is revolutionizing imaging for vascular access and other minimally invasive procedures. Unlike other imaging aids, single stick integrates directly into the needles and catheters already used. We're putting eyes at the needle tip, so the clinician can use the needle normally, navigating toward a given target using both historical skill and real-time, easy-to-interpret imaging. It's inexpensive, disposable, and represents a transformative change in one of medicine's most common procedures.
Yankee Biosciences is building a portable disease diagnostic platform that makes gold standard microscopy affordable, easy to use, and accessible to anyone with a smartphone. Our disease diagnostics runs on the cloud or on device based on internet access. For a disease such as malaria, our platform enables doctors in resource-limited settings to screen patients without training and prevent self-medication with proper prescription.